Hello and welcome to my kitchen. This is the beginning of the Uncle Dan's Summer Games. I'm Scotty Buns of Steel, Roadhouse. You're in trouble with this one. So I am a man of Hot Pockets. I think they are the lost fifth food group. They are delicious, but I'm going to be taking Hot Pockets from the coolness level here to right about up here, all thanks to Uncle Dan's salad dressing, dips, and seasonings. So the first thing you need is a Hot Pocket. So a typical Hot Pocket, minute 45 in the microwave, perfect. This one is going to be a breaded Hot Pocket coated with Ritz crackers, Uncle Dan's authentic salad dressing. This is the ranch style, and then we're going to take Uncle Dan's zesty ranch and use that to dip it in. So these are a lot like a cheese stick, but it's a whole different level. The first thing you're going to need is the ever-loving, thing ever invented, known as the Hot Pocket. Frozen's the easiest way to go on these. So you take your basic Hot Pocket, crack it open, tin foil, you're not going to need that. Come over here to the cutting board. You would want to cut these into 3 long strips. So again, they're kind of like a cheese stick on steroids. Just go and cut them up in 3s. Frozen is good for the thawed one, which I don't think anybody would really have a thawed Hot Pocket. There's really no need to it. So this one is the amazing ham and cheese Hot Pocket. You'll take your 3 Hot Pockets, your 3 strips, and then you will grab, in this case, the Uncle Dan's original Southern Classic Ranch. You can find this at many different retailers. If you go to uncledans.com, type in your zip code, you can find them all over Spokane and beyond. I got here a sleeve, 13 ounces or so, of Ritz crackers. Now, little known fact, the material in Ritz crackers, soft white wheat, which is found down in Whitman County, one of the world's largest producers of soft white wheat. It is delicious. Some of the best breading you will have with anything. Chicken fried steak, Hot Pockets, you name it. Turns it into this really great greenish herb, just explosion. Now, normally I like to put a lot of extra spices in mine, especially rosemary. You don't even need rosemary with this bad boy. You will take your bag of Ritz crackers, crumbled up, couple eggs, beat them around. You take your Hot Pocket sticks, frozen, better. You want to do the double dipping. Now I know usually with ranch, double dipping is not good. In this case, it's highly encouraged. Roll your Hot Pocket around in that or so, a couple different times. Now here's the thing, you don't want to take your breaded Hot Pocket and just go from there. You got to double dip this bad boy. Back into your egg wash, very simple. Again, just 2 eggs. You can salt and pepper it if you so choose. If you want to watch your sodium, whatever, it's sodium. Drink a lot of water, you'll be just fine. Go ahead and bread your 3 Hot Pockets. I'm just gonna go ahead and do 1 right now. Now, here's where the real secret comes into play. Air fryer. These things are absolutely amazing. You will take your air fryer about 400 degrees. You will put all 3 of your breaded Hot Pockets. You want to cook it for about 5 minutes at 400 degrees, or just hit the French fry setting. Takes it to 400, drop it down to 3 minutes. You'll cook it for 3 minutes, and then you'll want to go ahead and turn it after your 3 minutes. Cook it in for another 2 minutes. Let me get rid of the egg wash, salmonella. He's an Italian mobster. Always want to get rid of that. So in here I have half-baked, deep-fried, air-fried Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch Hot Pockets. But you gotta finish them up. 3 minutes in, you gotta get the other 2 minutes taken care of. Pizza button, power, pizza, 400 degrees. Go ahead and drop it in for your other 2 more minutes. Fire it up, and then while you're waiting, you can sit here, twiddle your thumbs, maybe go do a couple push-ups. No. You gotta make your Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch seasoning. You need about 8 ounces of sour cream, Daisy sour cream. This will do it. Just squeeze it right on in there. Simple, good to go. Take your Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch, zest of peppers, onions, and makes a perfect dip. This will be about half a package, so 1 to 3 servings, 8 ounces, which is about that much sour cream. And we'll just kind of eyeball it right around here. So half packet, maybe 3/4 of a packet. Go ahead and dump your, we'll do 3/4. This will be some super zesty ranch. Now, normal people would have a whisk. I'm not that cool. I don't have a whisk. So, you take the old man's whisk, throwback style, little fork. That's really all you need. Go and whip it right on around. It's ranch. You get how it works. But look how quick and easy that absolutely mixes in. Oh, that's good. I don't care who you are. That is absolutely delicioso. Is that a word? I don't know. Well, it should be. Easily. Sour cream, that's how you go. If you want to add some more spices to it, you really don't need to because it's Uncle Dan's. That's how Uncle Dan rolls. Down to about 30 seconds left in the good old air fryer. I think we're about close enough. If you look right there, those are perfectly breaded Hot Pocket sticks. So I have a few of these already pre-made because, hey, I think ahead. Now, at a total of 5 minutes with a frozen Hot Pocket, they come out perfectly cooked. If you want to have a thawed Hot Pocket, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Easy, simple. Single man's meal. Oh, that's hot. After Hot Pocket, that's all thanks to Uncle Dan's authentic salad dressings and dips, using the zesty ranch for the dipping sauce and the classic Uncle Dan's ranch. Okay, there's the hotness. All for the breading. So here is your first ever air fried, healthy, breaded Hot Pockets with Uncle Dan's authentic salad dressings, dips, and seasonings for Uncle Dan's Summer Games. Roadhouse. Have fun with that. If you have incisors and you like meat, this is the way to go.